Good afternoon and welcome back, everyone. Ceist a cathar Ceist a cathar Question 14. Could mar a bhí an aimsir inniu? So some clues to look out for here is this question is in the past tense. Bhí is the verb be in the past tense, be I fada. And just like we covered before, when we put a verb in the past tense, if it begins with a consonant, we add a H after it, and that's what we've done with the verb be I fada. V was past tense. Could amar V and aimsir inniu. Inniu meaning yesterday. That's your second clue that this is in the past tense. So when we respond to this, we're not talking about now, we're talking about something that's already happened. Berla, what was the weather like yesterday? So we're going to begin with a general statement about the weather. And then we'll build upon it with some more definitive details specific to the day you're talking about. So, the first one. V and aimsir are fáinewash. It was excellent. V and aimsir ain't the moi. The weather was very good. V and aimsir go masara. The weather was fair enough. V and aimsir go donna. The weather was bad. V and aimsir milchina. The weather was terrible. Then give some details about the weather. So V and grain ag solshu. V and grain ag solshu. The sun was shining. Now in the present tense, te and grain ag solshu. The sun is shining. This is the past tense. V and grain ag solshu. The sun was shining. So vi she che, no chirum. It was hot. Vi she che, no. Vi she chirum. It was hot. Vi she fur. Now listen to that. That's a unique sound in Irish. Vi she fur. Fur. Vi she fur. It was cold. The vi she fluck. Now, this is wet. It doesn't necessarily mean it's raining. But like any day in Ireland, even in the middle of the summer, you could go outside and there's just a general damp on the ground, a couple of puddles, but there's not necessarily rain. It's not to say that it's not raining, but this is just to say it's wet. Vi she fluch. It was wet. Fluch. Vi she giefer. Vi she giefer. It was windy. Vi she giefer. Vi she akarbwashti. Vi she akarbwashti. It was raining. Oh, I use this one for it's pouring down. It's really raining heavily. Vi she akarbwashti. If it's just a bit of damp, I tend to say it's just wet. Vi she fluch. But this is what it was pouring down, much like today. Vi she akarbwashti. And vi she scamala. Go maleshko. Vi she scamala. It was cloudy. So, not necessarily fog, but more overcast. Vi she scamala. Correct nihe, moi shiva harja. 14 out of 20, so nearly 75% done. Well done, everyone.